episode of Cuffee Cultivation. I think that's what it's called, Cultivation Cuffee. Cuffee Cultivation. You'll see a watermark somewhere on the screen. It's going to tell you exactly what it is. You need to worry about that. I am the host, Cuffee. You know what I mean? I got my young man behind the camera, Big Facts. Shout out to my homie Big Facts.
Shut up, bro.
What we're doing here today is the first day of the wild here in Virginia that it hasn't been raining and it's actually dry enough to come out. It's still not that super dry, so before we continue, hey Big Facts, I want them to see my whole outfit. I want them to see everything about everything and let them know everything that's happening.
Why are you wearing a long sleeve shirt and shorts?
Because I'm different. I should have been wearing long pants too, because these mosquitoes is real out here.
Stupid, that's what I'm talking about.
Alright, well I'm different. That was my answer and I stick to it. We're out of monsoon season. So I wanted to come out here and make a batch of my homebrew soil mixture. And the motto I use when I mix up the soil is I just use what I got. I don't really know the precise measurements of anything. That's why the key phrase of this show and all shows going forward is going to be, you can learn from my mistakes. You're going to see me do some things that are probably not the things I should do. Let's see if they work or not. Yeah, so that's really the gist of what I do. I take whatever I have and I mix it all up together and I see what comes from it. I've had some success with this, I've had some failures with this. So let's see what this one turns out. As far as potted plants this year, I think we're gonna do some cherry tomatoes in pots.
Raspberries.
Huh?
Raspberries.
The raspberry's not going in the pot, raspberry's going out here by the fence. Basil, probably has some basil in the pot. So, you know, it probably has some other things in the pot as the year goes on, as the season progresses. So we'll see how it works out. I'm gonna bag this up and store it. I got some heavy duty garbage bags. Then I'm just gonna tie up tight, put them somewhere, let them cook, let everybody get to know each other in the pot, put it in the pot. I mean, simple as that, man. That's it for this segment. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Watch Coffee Cultivation. I'm gonna go in the house. These mosquitoes are starting to attack the part of my leg that is showing. They don't like it.
Yeah, you already got about 11 mosquitoes, right?
You see them?
Yes.
Yeah, they don't like it.
Also, you got a big old dent in the middle of your leg.
Yeah, they don't like it. They don't like what's happening over here. They take my skin showing as a sign of disrespect. So I'm going in the house. I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace and blessings to y'all. Stop that, Jay. Look at you. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it, then move it. You are just something else right now. Have you stopped it yet? Is it still going? Are you still going? Are you going to stop it? What is your plan? What's the end game here? What's happening right now? What are we doing this for? Big Facts.
What?
Big Facts. What are we doing?
What?
Have you stopped it?
No.